But Lerun Church, well, the first church was built in the 1950s. And naturally the church was called the Church of St. Francis was the patron because the Cappuccini from Florence, Firenze, were the fathers who were working in this diocese and in Dehradun. So that's how this church came to be known as or dedicated to St. Francis of Assisi. During the Second World War, there was an Italian artist who was interned, became a prisoner here in Dehradun. Because he was an Italian, he was put into this prison. Then later on, he asked the British to give permission to allow this artist to stay here in this parish house with the intention of painting the life of St. Francis in the church. Then what happened was, because two side aisles had been built to the church, cracks had formed where they had been joined not properly, so water came in, seepage came in and spoiled the paintings, damaged them. I happened to come for the Adlimana visit in Rome, and since there were a few months, about 2 months before the beatification of Mother Teresa, which I wanted to attend since I know her very well, I stay in the Capuchin monastery at Mantugi. I mentioned this, could he help me to find somebody who could repair the damage of these paintings? So Professor Lorenzo Casamenti came to see me, and then he told me he will come and first see what has to be done. And so he came and he saw the damage and what has to be done. And then he went back, and in the month of May he came with his whole team, and for 8 days they worked day and night from 8 o'clock in the morning till 8 o'clock in the evening. He had to make all the scaffolding under his direction, then all the paintings were done. So that was the great work that was done, and was done free of cost.
When I saw these frescoes for the first time, and I understand like it was destroyed, the plaster, I decided of changing the plaster because this plaster was full of mold, fungus and salt. The new plaster what I decided to put for prepare the new restoration was one plaster made with lime, sand. Important what the sand was with the sand of the river. Not possible use it for this restore one sand of the beach because the sand of the beach have salt inside and destroyed the colors. To have one good result of this restore, in this case it was necessary to use the watercolor and the gouache because this is the color what give more possibility for don't look the difference from new color and the false color when we use the technique imitation colors. When we have finished the working, the quality of the restoration was very excellent because with the technique, the system what we have used, is impossible to see the difference from original color and the new colors.
This beautiful church was built by Begum Johanna Sambru in 1822. She was the queen of Sardana, the Principality of Sardana. Several thousand Christians and many pilgrims come to this place to visit this church. People of different walks of life, people of different religion, they come here just to pray, and they all are welcome here. Every day, at least 400 to 500 people, the pilgrims as well as the tourists, visit this beautiful church. We are very grateful to Mr. Lorenzo Casamenti and the students of Lorenzo de Medici of Florence, who came here to restore the statues and the paintings. They had come here 6 years ago, in 2008, to restore the paintings and the statues, marble statues.
After the working what Lorenzo de Medici School have make in Dehradun, the restoration the fresco in the San Francis Church, the Bishop from Merit have decided to make also one working in the restoration in Sardana, because in Sardana was one sculpture made by one important Italian artist in the 19th century, and this sculpture was very, very dirty. We have decided to make this project with the student at Lorenzo de Medici School, and I came here with one group of the students. We have cleaned this sculpture in a good system with ammonia carbonato, and after we have put one protection with one special wax for give the sculpture one tone shiny like it was in 18th century.
We are very, very grateful to them for the good work that they are doing, and we thank them in a very special way, and we wish them all the best.
Father Luke was sent in the year 1919 from Italy, and he bought a small piece of land on which stands today the great Sacred Heart Cathedral. And in the year 1922, he managed to purchase 14.5 acres of land, and the foundation stone was laid in the year 1929, and the construction went on for almost 4 years. On 8th December 1935, the church was dedicated to the Sacred Heart Cathedral. Eminent people from various walks of life, from the government, from the nunciature, as well as from the diocese, came to be part of this great historical event. So once again, I thank you for all the great works that you have done for the cathedral. And Mr. Lorenzo, I warmly welcome you to the Sacred Heart Cathedral, and for the great work you have done for the Last Supper painting inside the cathedral, as the backdrop looks so beautiful, imposing.
The most important restoration in India, what have made the Lorenzo de Medici School from Florence, and in the Catholic Christian Cathedral in Delhi. This work had with Last Supper, very, very big, because it's 90 meters square. This fresco was very, very bad, because the color was the attach at the base, what the plaster, and we have make one treatment for consolidation and fix the colors, and we have make the restore with the system with sottotono. Sottotono is one system we make same color but a little bit more lighter. Quality the restore is excellent, because now it's possible to look this fresco very, very, very in a good system. When we have finished the restore this last zapper, we have make restore also the 10 sculpture what was inside the cathedral. And also the sculpture was in very bad condition because the color was very opaque. We have cleaning and fixation the color with one special wax.